a big float tayo amo the Philippine Dental Association Ilocos Norte Dental Chapter.
Yes, headed by the President, Dr. Claire Antoinette Respicio.
And kasama rin natin syempre ang Philippine Dental Association from Pasay Dental Chapter.
Headed by Dr. Christine Magnolia Marshall.
Kaway-kaway naman po dyan.
Mga doktora natin.
Mga dentista natin.
Yes.
All the way from Pasay. And syempre, our very own from Ilocos Norte. Ayan, maraming salamat po for gracing our Grand Float Parade. Philippine Dental Association from Ilocos Norte and Pasay Dental Chapter.